Go and get your dad again, Dollface. I dropped my king. Sorry. I just dropped my king. My king's not there.